Question 9. The table shows temperatures recorded on 5 planets. Part A, what is the difference between the temperatures recorded on Earth and Mars? So Earth is 14, Mars is minus 55, and we are finding the difference between them, which means that we are taking them away from each other. So technically we'd have brackets there. If we do 14 minus 55, we will end up with 69 degrees Celsius. Now technically if you did this takeaway sum the other way around and you ended up with a minus 69, you would still get the marks from that. But technically you should put the larger of the two numbers first when you find the difference of two numbers. Part 2, we've got Jupiter and Mars. So Jupiter here is minus 153, Mars is minus 55. So based on what I just said there, technically the larger or the warmer of two numbers should come first. The colder or smaller should come second. When we take them away from each other, our sum will look like this. And the answer that we will get from that is 98 degrees Celsius. However, if you did the takeaway sum the other way around, let's say you did it Jupiter first and Mars second because of the way it was worded, and you got minus 98, you would still get the mark for that. Next part, a temperature recorded on Pluto is 693 degrees less than the temperature recorded on Venus. Work out the temperature on Pluto. So 693 less means that whatever the temperature on Venus was, we are going to take 693 away from that in order to get our temperature on Pluto. So let's go find the temperature on Venus, which is 458, which means 458 take away 693 will give us minus 235. Part C, work out the mean of those 5 numbers there. In order to find the mean, we add them all together first of all, and then divide by how many there are. Of course, we are adding negative numbers here, so we need to be careful that when we do that, we have brackets involved, so that adding our negatives will look like this. We will then divide it all by 5, or you could type all this in your calculator and then press answer divided by 5 afterwards. In any case, once you have done that, you will end up with 10. If you had decided to add all of these together on the top first before dividing by 5, then you could write this line here, 50 over 5. But either way, as long as you have this and as long as you have our answer, that's where you're going to get these 2 marks from.